Using a power nailer not only poses a potential safety risk to you, but others in the immediate area as well. With that said, let's review these important safety guidelines. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection whenever operating a power nailer. Always disconnect or remove the power source before loading or unloading the magazine. Always place the nose piece firmly against the work before firing the tool in the sequential mode. Never point a power nailer at yourself or anyone else, even if the magazine is empty. Never fire a nail too close to the edge of the material or too close to another nail. Never operate the tool near flammable materials. And keep the tool out of the reach of inexperienced persons and children. To use a pneumatic power nailer, the first step is to attach a 1/4 inch NPT fitting to the tool's air inlet. Make sure the shank on the fitting matches the coupler on the air line. Once the fitting is installed, apply several drops of air tool oil directly into the inlet. The next step is to install the appropriate nails into the magazine. This model accepts round head nails, 2 to 3.5 inches in length. Next, adjust nail depth to the desired setting. If the tool is equipped with a trigger lock, engage it now. Keep in mind that drive depth is ultimately affected by the available air pressure. For example, if the air pressure is too low, the nail may not be driven into the material fully. That's why it's a good idea to fire a few nails into some scrap material in order to fine-tune your drive depth settings. Now, set the drive type selector to the sequential firing mode, and then attach the air hose to the inlet fitting. With the trigger lock released, if equipped, place the nose piece squarely on the material. Now, squeeze the trigger to fire a nail and then release. To drive nails in rapid succession, set the drive type selector to the bump fire mode. Now, depress and hold the trigger, and then bump the nose piece against the material to drive a nail. Continue this process to drive nails continuously. To prevent firing a nail unintentionally in the bump fire mode, make sure the nose piece does not recontact the material during recoil.